안녕하세요 from Korea. Today I'm going to try to make bo-ssam. I've been living in Korea for nearly half my life, and my goal with this channel is to show you how to cook using some of these wonderful Korean ingredients. Today's fresh ingredient that I want to highlight is samgyeopsal or pork belly. It's very common here in Korea and it's a wonderful ingredient to be using. For bo-ssam, we're going to cook this slow and steady with a few other ingredients in there. Let's begin. Alright, I did it and I can't wait to eat. This looks so good. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is how you do bo-ssam. First, ssam. Ssam is wrapping. So we need to wrap. Let's get samchu. Get a bit of meat on there. This is special doenjang. That is, in particular, goes very well for meat. So you don't use this one in sauces. This one's for soups. This is for dipping. It's very special. And you can eat it like that, but I'm going to add some of my radish. Yeah, let's get a lot. Oh, look at that. Yes. Now, you wrap it up and one bite. And there we go. I'm gonna eat. I'm starving. I want to share this with my wife. I'm not just gonna sit here by myself and eat all this. It'll be a bit rude. So, me and her are gonna eat this. There's a couple other dishes. You want to cook this potato one? I made it. You can see how to make it. You want to make this? I made this one too. I'll show you how to make this. And of course, today we made this lovely radish that goes with it. This can go as a side with other dishes as well. So try out the recipe. Let me know in the comments how you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and 안녕히 계세요.